All right, so to wrap up our solution here, let's consider what we did. So we were given a problem that we were going to be doing a lot of comparisons on. Obviously, we had to be able to say which type of coin it is, how much did it weigh, and things like that. And there's a lot of different ways we probably could have solved this, and you would have expected to see a whole lot of greater than, less than going on here. And so very quickly we've solved finding one coin. That worked out pretty well. Is it within the weight variance and the diameter variance of a coin, and that worked out pretty well. Now past that, we looked at being able to reuse this code. And so we made this into a reusable method. And so that really amplified our ability to solve this problem in a hurry, because now I no longer have to get into exact greater than or less than for each coin type. I can just pass in those values. So what is the base weight and the base diameter of each coin? It'll automatically figure out the variances inside of here. Now, I could even be more flexible in the variances inside of here, but we weren't asked to be. We were given very static, strict variances inside of here, so that worked pretty well. And then basically I can just go and ask, hey, are you a penny? And if you are, then I'm going to return a penny type. If not, I'll keep looking. Are you a nickel? If you are, return the nickel type. If you're not, keep looking. Are you a dime? Same thing. If you are, we'll return it. If not, keep looking. If you're a quarter, there. Now the order of this doesn't matter. I could do these in any order because it's only going to fit into one coin type. All the coins are intentionally spread out, and so I'm taking advantage of that to be able to solve my problem pretty easily. So within here, if I trust my test cases, and these are constructed well, and this is one of the advantages of test-driven development, if you do trust your test cases, have validated these, as soon as I pass all my test cases, I know I'm done coding, at least as far as the testing goes. Now, of course, I could come up with test cases. I could come up with more. I did a handful of them here. I could have 5 handfuls of them here. I could have random number generation, but these are ones that I have a pretty good feel covers most of the general examples out there and seems to be covering our code pretty well. So I'm going to call this problem solved. Now, you might have solved this problem entirely different ways. There's a lot of different ways this problem could be solved. So if you have, let me know about it. Let me see what the other solutions are out there. Maybe yours is much more efficient. But here is a solution using if statements and then taking advantage of a reusable method to be able to solve this really simple piggy bank coin collection problem.